82 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15, 3 times 6 18. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 3 21. 3 goes into 8 how many times? 3 times 3 9, which is getter. So 2 times, write 2. 2 times 3 6, subtract 2, bring down this 2. 3 goes into 22 how many times? 8 times 24, which is getter, so 7 times, write 7. 7 times 3, 21, subtract 1, so 27, remainder 1 is your answer. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 4 times 12, which is getter, so 3 times. 3 times 3 9, subtract 1, bring down this 0. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3 9, subtract 1, bring down this 0. 3 goes into 10 how many times? Again 3 times. 3 times 3 9, subtract 1. So now place 3 dot here to mean that this process is continuing. So 27.333 dot 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 is our answer. You can write your answer in another form. Just place a bar over 3. This bar means that this 3 is repeating.